Hello, my name is Dr. Eric Bricker, and I'm a medical doctor and the Chief Medical Officer of First Stop Health. And today I'm going to walk you through the First Stop Health mobile app. It's really simple and easy to use. So first of all, why use the app? It's a great way to talk to a doctor and request a visit in just a few clicks, and you can update your information along the way. Through the app, you can even upload photos of things like an eye infection or a rash or a bug bite or a cold sore, and that way your doctor can see your particular symptom that you're having. Now, it's helpful to take the photo before the actual visit to save time. Now, you can select a phone or a video visit, and it's great to use video to talk face-to-face with your doctor, but sometimes when people are sick, they don't want to do that and they just want to talk on the phone, and that's totally okay. I completely get that. Now, after your visit is done, everything you need is on the app. You just have visits to see the details of the visit. You can get a sick note. You can even listen to a recording of your visit in case you forgot anything. Now, after the visit, we also encourage you to rate the visit because we would love your feedback. On the app, you can also update your profile, you can update your family's information, and we would love for you to add your email address so that you can receive any updates from First Stop Health. If you have any questions, you can visit the Help Center on the app, and having the First Stop Health mobile app is like having a doctor in your pocket 24/7. Now, click the link below to download the First Stop Health mobile app today. Thank you for watching.